Assalamu alaikum everyone. And KAS, 90% of the people never really expected KAS to make this further one gigantic, impulsive move to the upside. There was a huge push, and literally this got me off guard. It probably got everybody off guard except those 5% of people who are holding the coin, and they're not looking to sell, they're looking to hold long term. Now, such coins, they tend to move in any direction. Okay, KAS, things like Pepe2, the coins that are not so popular, they're pretty much on a freestyle zone. You just never know what's basically going to happen. Sometimes the technicals are not even applicable to such coins as well. So if you do look at a little bit of the technicals right now, I'm going to bring in the RSI, and you can see how much the RSI shows that there's an exhaustion of prices. There's a very big bearish divergence right over here, but because this is a technical analysis video and an educational video, I'm still going to talk about the technical aspect of the coin, right? If we have to go with guts feeling, that I don't really need to make these videos. So if we go with logic now, again, I'm still going to use logic for myself. We have the prices that are very down, and this is really high right now. So the highest, you can see how much of a gap we have on the divergence. Very big gap. Okay, you're going literally from 0.09 all the way up to 0.15. So that's like a 50%, actually 100% further move, or 80% move to the upside. And the biggest move you have, the bigger the move you have in the future, the biggest corrections you're going to have as well. Okay, so let's actually remove this one down there, and let's get back into the chart itself. Back in history, when I was making the updates, I was looking to give you this one technical target at 0.077. This one actually got met, and this is where you probably even pushed higher. But it could have made more sense for this one to come down, take this wick out, and then finally drop down to 0.05. Now I'm actually going to keep it very simple, and here's the following what I want to say. The fact that you have this wick here, this wick may be visited in the future, and that's actually a 0.073156. The higher you go, the more bullish people become, and this coin, honestly, if we really remove the technicals, you just never know if it can actually keep on pushing higher, because even Solana at one point, maybe if it does pull a Solana, then we're not looking for any downtrend, right? We're not looking for downtrends at all. Now this is for the first time you are for the second time actually you have lost and went below the 20. So basically some few signs I'm going to tell you is you have a bull cross here on the 4-hour time frame. You went up, you lost the 10 and the 20, you bounced off the 55. Now you're up again and you're coming below the 10 and the 20. Let's see if you can bounce off the 55 again and continue even higher to 0.16, or come down, lose the 55 and backtest the 55, get rejected, make a bear cross here finally, and then the prices push down literally for a very big gigantic correction, because there are some few price level that you have not visited. This is going to be 0.05 right here. I think this is a place where KAS has not visited, and it's an open entry that it may visit in the future. But before we go down there, let's see if we can actually lose the 55 or just bounce off the 55 and continue higher. So that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.